So I thought I would just quickly share the catfish I found on my road. What we're looking at are the remnants of Tropical Storm Sara. Village is that way. Just left my home like 2 minutes ago and came across a catfish dead on the road. All this water is flowing from the Belize River, which heads to Bermudian Landing that way. So basically everything's flooded, and so everything is flowing into the jungle. You can actually see that there's quite a bit of flow. Anyways, just thought I would share the fact that I just came across a dead catfish on my road.